Working with video color grading and got a CSL file? This is a color lookup file from CineStyle, the cinematic color profile tool. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and I'll show you how to use these CineStyle color lookup files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value CSL file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. CSL files are color lookup files associated with CineStyle, a Technicolor color profile designed for video productions. They contain LUT lookup table data that transforms video color from CineStyle's flat capture profile to standard Rect Ma 709 or other color spaces, enabling cinematic color grading workflows. CSL files use Technicolor's color lookup format, storing 3D LUT data with input-output color transformation values. The format includes color space definitions, transformation matrices, and metadata following standard LUT specifications for use in professional video editing and color grading software. The primary software for CSL is recognized as CineStyle Color Assist, developed by Interscape. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows supports mainstream codecs, but rare or proprietary ones require add-on packs. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your CSL file and select Open With. If CineStyle Color Assist is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If the CSL file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Due to the specificity of the CSL format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, loading in video editors. Import CSL files into video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro through their LUT or color grading panels. Apply the LUT to video clips shot with CineStyle profile, transforming the flat color capture to graded cinematic color matching desired aesthetic styles. Next, converting LUT format. Use LUT conversion tools like LUTCalc or ColorTricks to convert CSL files to other LUT formats like Cube or 3DL for broader compatibility. Different video applications support various LUT formats, and conversion enables CineStyle LUTs in tools that don't directly support the CSL format. Finally, applying in DaVinci Resolve. In DaVinci Resolve, copy CSL LUT files to the LUTs folder, accessible through project settings, then color management. The LUT becomes available in the Color Page LUTT browser for application to clips through node-based color grading, combined with primary color correction for refined cinematic looks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.